Meaning of gardening.
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 Gardening. Gardening refers to the activity of tending and cultivating plants, such as flowers or vegetables, either for pleasure or for food. It includes various tasks such as planting, watering, weeding, pruning, and harvesting. Gardening can be a rewarding experience that allows individuals to connect with nature, improve their physical health, and beautify their surroundings. In addition to providing fresh produce and flowers, gardening can also promote relaxation, reduce stress, and foster a sense of accomplishment. Overall, gardening is a versatile and enriching activity that offers numerous benefits for both individuals and communities alike.